Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with this makeup look and this hair, natural hair. It's really super simple and easy to do. The lashes I'm wearing are from Beauty with Ashley, of course. These are 25 millimeters, I believe. Remember, I have something for everyone on my website. I have 16, I have 22, and I have 25 millimeter lashes for every beauty girl out there. So make sure you guys check out my website, which is www.beautywithashlie.com, and support a real girl. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, 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 if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it. And also subscribe to my channel so you can see more of this pretty face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Okay guys, bye guys. Okay guys, please do not mind my hair right now. I know my hair is looking crazy. Don't mind it. I know you're looking at it. Just act like you're not even looking at it, you know. As you can see by the title, I am going to be doing a natural hair, and then I'm going to be doing like a makeup look. I don't know, I'm not sure what makeup look I'm going for, so we're just going with the flow. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, I'm going to be using my LA Colors face primer. This is going to be a affordable type of makeup look, so yeah, you guys, you can get this primer from the Dollar General for like $1 or $2. It's not even expensive, and it works great. Like, you can tell that you're applying a primer to your face. So yeah, I'm applying my primer all over my face, getting my face ready for foundation, of course. And yeah. Okay, now guys, I will be taking my matte and poreless Fit Me foundation with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to be blending my foundation out. Yeah, I don't know how people do their makeup and like talk at the same time. I personally cannot do my makeup and talk at the same time, because like it's either I'm doing one thing or another. I'm not gonna be focused like enough, and I'm gonna mess up on my face. So yeah. Okay, I'm applying hella makeup. It's not like I'm going nowhere. I'm finna take, right after the video, I'm gonna take this right off and just go to sleep, you know. But for the purpose of this video, we're going all out today, because why not? You guys, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, I really been feeling my natural hair lately. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you guys totally should. And on Snapchat as well, because I just be like unfiltered in there, you know, and I just be me with my natural hair and my natural self. Well, lately, that's how I've been feeling lately. I'm not gonna be doing that all the time, because baby, no, but that's how I've been feeling lately. Like, I've been really loving my natural hair. If you didn't know, recently, well, in December 2018, I did the big chop all over again. This was like my third time doing it, or fourth. I'm not sure. I cut my hair a lot. So as you guys can see, like on my channel and on my previous channel, Beauty with Ashley, the one I had before this, if you guys were following me there, you guys know that I really like to cut my hair a lot. So in December 2018, I did the big chop again, and my hair has grown tremendously. Like, y'all see this? Like, my hair has grown a lot, which is good, but I'm having mixed feelings about it. I want to cut it again. Like, I just like short hair, you know, but I don't know, we're gonna see. Okay, if you guys do want me to make natural hair videos, I can do them for you. I don't really know how to like style it, but as far as like washing it and stuff like that, I can make those type of videos for you guys. Let me know. Like the video, because it helps YouTube to like promote the video. So make sure you guys like the video and comment down below. Do whatever you gotta do to help a sister out, because why not, you know? Now I'm taking my Girl Pro concealer and I'm going to be highlighting, of course. Going in with this lighter concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me. This is the color 30, and I'm just going to be applying it on top of the previous concealer. Not too much though, because I already have a lot of Girl Pro already, so I'm not gonna do it too much. Taking my beauty blender, I'm just going to be blending this out. I'm going to be using a mirror so I can see, because I cannot see with this mirror. It's too far and I can't see far. If you didn't know that, like, I can't see far. Yeah, I wear glasses because I can't see really far. Okay guys, now that I bring everything out, I'm going to be baking my face. I'm using my aspirin. Okay guys, I totally forgot that I was gonna do eyeshadow, because I haven't done eyeshadow in a long time, like a long time. I don't even remember the last time I did eyeshadow. So I usually do my eyeshadow first, but now I just like remember that I want to do eyeshadow. I'm about to go ahead and just do eyeshadow. So I'm taking my Fit Me concealer again, and I'm going to be priming my eyelids. Okay guys, now I'm taking the same powder that I bake with. I'm going to be using it on my eyelids to set that concealer. Okay, now I'm taking the Nubian by Juvia's Place. Ooh, this is bright. The Nubian by Juvia's Place. Ooh, I barely even use this palette. But I'm going to be taking this shit right here and just basically work that on the crease. Okay, now you guys, I'm going to be taking this color right here and basically work it on the top of the color that I just applied. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna spray this flat top brush. Ooh, this lighting is too bright. Okay, it's fine, y'all. Y'all know how a flat top brush really look like, so I really ain't gotta show y'all. Anyways, taking this brush, I'm going to be taking this color right here and basically apply that on the inner part of my eyelids. I'm going to be taking this like darker brown that's like right here, and I'm just going to be working that on the outer part of my eyelids. Make sure you blend that really well. Really well. What am I saying? Make sure you blend that really well, because it's a dark brown and you just don't want a dark brown to be just sitting there on the end of your eye. And yeah, you guys, this is basically the eye look. I'm gonna come back to the eyes. I'm gonna finish the face. Be taking my powder brush. My powder brush. I'm going to be taking my powder brush and then my MAC powder, and I'm going to be taking this excess powder off my face. I am going to be contouring. I'm using my beat up, what's the name of this? My beat up True Revolution. What am I? True, it's not even True Revolution, it's True Religion. What am I thinking about? What the heck? Anyways, I am taking my Black Radiance contour palette. I've been using this for years, literally, as you can tell. It's done and I need to get a new one. But I'm going to be taking that and I'm going to be contouring my face. Applying my powder, my MAC powder, one last time. Hey guys, so now I'm just going to be spraying my face. Now I'm going to be taking my liner and I'm just going to be applying a wing liner and moving back to the eyes. I'm just going to be applying a wing liner. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be taking my mascara and then I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelids. Apply my lashes. I am going to be taking my Beauty with Ashley lashes, of course. Make sure you guys go to my website, which is www.beautywithashlie.com, and purchase you some lashes. This is in the style Jolie on the website, in case you want to get it. So yeah, and you're gonna see how I apply them, well, how they will, you're gonna see how they will look on my eyes today. If you guys are curious, make sure you guys give my lashes a try. I told you guys that already. Give my lashes a try and you would not be disappointed. I am working on some new items to add to the site. Remember, you guys, like I was saying, Beauty with Ashley is going to be your one-stop beauty shop where you will find everything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, lip gloss, lipstick, highlight, whatever, skincare. I am working on a skincare item. I told you guys on the previous video where I did my eyebrows. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, so when everything is dropping, so I can tell you guys and make videos about them and all that good stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's just keep on going. Let's just apply our Beauty with Ashley lashes, and that's just that. Period. Look at them, so beautiful. Okay, period. Now that I got on my Beauty with Ashley lashes, I am going to be highlighting. This is the style Jolie on our website. So make sure you guys go ahead and go purchase you some Jolie, because it is pretty Jolie. Jolie means pretty in French, by the way. Now I'm just taking my highlight. I'm going to be highlighting. I love highlights, you guys. Like, who doesn't love highlight? Like, this is highlight we're talking about. Taking the Patrick Star lip gloss, I am going to be applying that on my lips. Lip gloss is popping. Now moving on to hair, you guys. I'm going to be untwisting my hair. Okay, you guys, so now I'm taking some Softy Growth Oil. I'm going to be applying that to my hair. I'm going to be taking a little bit of Equal Styler gel, just this much. Equal Styler. Apply it on the perimeter of my hair.